Hey Mark, here in the middle of Summerville, in what I call like the old town section of Summerville.
What do you call it, the Mayberry?
The Mayberry feel of Summerville. We're in Hutchison Square, surrounding here at Garen's Pharmacy over there. Go and get you some ice cream, or it is a
I've
pharmacy.
never been in there.
It's the oldest pharmacy in the world. It may not be. But it's
They got root beer floats in there?
Probably. They got ice cream. I can't imagine you wouldn't have root beer floats.
Okay.
Then if you're ready for an adult beverage, Accent on Wine here. There's a tavern kind of thing over
Ice
here.
house, yeah.
Axe throwing.
Pizza.
A cool hot dog place right over here. An Italian bakery over
right around
this
the corner.
way. Yeah. This is a great area.
And I like Matt's Burgers, which is just on the other side of this.
Over by
too.
the big YMCA.
Yeah.
My kids went, did Abby do any gymnastics or anything over there?
Not here. We were kind of over by the Goose Creek side.
Okay, yeah. We did gymnastics here at the Y. They've got lots of activities there, but we're right in the middle of town. There's a little tip here. There's a parking garage 1 block that way. So there's, if parking is right in town here is rough, you just go over that parking garage right there. Call me first. I'll give you an address, tell you where it is.
Now, if they need to find the sweet tea cup, everybody looks for the sweet tea cup. That's right by the
parking
garage, right?
Right over yonder.
Yeah. So some people haven't found it.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of hidden down an alley.
And behind Town Hall here, they do the farmers market in the spring, summer, fall, almost all year round.
And 2
Every
weeks?
Saturday morning, I think.
Yeah, I think you're right. And 2 weeks from now, this will be the start of the biggest festival.
Yeah.
We're staying far away.
We are. We're not coming down.
I might come Friday because it's less people on Friday.
You just want to come get video.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, the Sweet Tea Festival here in town.
Azalea Festival.
No, the Azalea Festival here in town. And that's the same weekend every year as the
Bridge Run.
Ravenel Bridge
And
Run.
the Strawberry Festival.
And the Strawberry.
And whatever.
There's a lot going on next weekend.
Yeah, for sure. But the reason we started here is because we're only 10 minutes to the neighborhood that we're going to go check out. That's kind of a pocket neighborhood built by Stanley Martin, right?
Yeah, so it's they're all spec homes, nothing built from the ground up. They're finishing out. They've got 8 or 10 more houses available, but some fantastic pricing. Bunch of different models. They've got ranch. They've got one 5-bedroom house. I'm going to call it 4.5.
4.5, yeah.
It's technically a 5-bedroom house. But
The downstairs bedroom is
a little small.
Yeah.
But fantastic prices. Like we're well under $400,000 for every house in the neighborhood.
Yep.
This close to Summerville.
So I think we should just go check them out.
Let's do it.
Do it.
Mark, this is the Hinsdale.
Hinsdale. That's fun to say.
It is 1,554 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. I think it's on a wooded lot here.
On a cul-de-sac.
On a cul-de-sac, at the end of the cul-de-sac, and 350?
Yeah, 350.
350,000.
Yeah.
So
we don't see those prices all the time.
No. This is interesting.
And a really good builder. We like Stanley Martin.
We do like Stanley Martin.
Yeah.
So porch is totally big enough for seats or a couch or something. Mm-hmm. Andrew and I sat like an hour last night out on our front porch is probably this deep.
Yeah, I think you're about right.
And so we sat out for about an hour last night in the rain. It was wonderful.
Don't you wish you had a tin roof out there?
Oh, that'd be so great.
Yeah.
But you know what? I'm so simple. I could probably just play the sound of rain on my phone while I'm sitting out there on a metal roof, and I would enjoy it just as much.
Okay.
I'm easily fooled. All right, so ranch house inside the front door. I tell you what, I already can tell you I like the layout of this house.
Yeah, it seems pretty cool.
You've got shared bedrooms, or 2 bedrooms up here sharing this 1 full bath.
One of these could easily be an office.
Yes, and these will be reach-in closets. So, we don't always do videos showing kind of under the skirt here.
Yeah.
Before it's
Under
all
the
done.
skirt. I like that.
You like that? I just came up with that.
Under the skirt.
Giving you a peek under the skirt, see what's going on.
So this would be some sort of drop zone, I'm guessing, because you're coming in here from the garage.
That makes sense. All right, so we come in the garage. We've got the 2 bedrooms and the full bath up in the front of the house here.
They got the AC and heating and cooled too. So they're not a builder known for that.
I tell you what, inside, in this price point, we do not typically see that the AC is in air-conditioned space.
Yeah.
It's much more efficient when it's like this than it's well up in the upstairs.
Yes.
in 500 degrees.
Sweltering.
So closet here. And this is going to be a kitchen right layout. So I'm imagining there's going to be an island here.
Yep.
And then this would be your stove,
Sink,
refrigerator, and all right, let me think about this.
I don't see an oven. Oh wait, isn't this?
Okay,
this is fridge here.
The sink's going to be over here.
Yeah, fridge is right there.
Now
And
there is a wire.
Electric oven.
Electric oven over there.
Yep.
Okay. So is this just a little island that does not have the
probably
sink?
has the dishwasher.
Probably.
Yep.
Little reach-in pantry. Or is that going to be a half a step in pantry?
Half step. Pantry.
Half step in?
Yeah, we'll take it.
So sliding glass door. This is a nice lot because it is backed up to woods. Mm-hmm. You can hear a little road noise out here this way.
Okay. It's not horrible though.
No. But really nice.
It's right there.
Oh, look at the hanging.
The mossy
Yeah, I
stuff.
love that. That's a great tree.
Was it you that told me that they put that stuff inside?
It was. Now, we heard this story on a tour.
Okay.
And my friend was the tour guide.
So he could have been BS.
He might have been making this up, but we were told that they used this moss to fill in the car seats for the Model T Fords back in the day.
Okay.
But they didn't realize that there was potentially still bugs in the moss, and so people were getting their butts bit while they're driving down the road in their new Model T.
So they didn't use that anymore.
They stopped doing it.
Okay.
So there could be some truth to that, or that could have just been completely
Totally made up.
Yeah, we have no idea.
You know, you could almost still fit a pool back here if
It would. Oh, on that side, yeah.
on that side over there, yeah.
No, that would be big enough.
Yeah.
Put you a fence up there.
Yeah.
That would work.
I like it.
So we have living room space. I feel like your television is going on this wall
For sure.
or over here, but probably here.
Yep.
No fireplace, but you could put one of your Mark Klim electric fireplaces in there.
For sure.
And so laundry room is going to be right outside the primary bedroom. So nice, easy, central location to all of the bedrooms.
Super smart. All right, so this is the primary. What would you say this is, 15 by 12?
I don't know, but I don't want to come in through the doorway because I don't ever have the opportunity to walk through walls.
Oh.
And so I want to walk through the wall on this one.
Oh my God! Wow!
Is that 2x4 a little boat?
It is a little bowed. I believe that if I had a home inspector doing a home inspection on this, he might give pause to that for a second.
Yes. Thought it was just me for a minute. And then we've got a bathroom here. So you got your two sinks. You got your shower already in. Half wall for the
toilet room.
For the toilet room. Interesting.
Oh, that would just be sitting here talking to Andrea like, what's going on? How's your day going? What are you doing? How's everything going?
She'd be like, get out.
Yeah, she'd be throwing things at me.
Yeah.
So it could be a little closet here and then a walk-in closet here.
Well, that's a pretty big closet.
Yeah.
All right, let's go on to the next one.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, Jeff, this is the Upton model, and this is a nice 5-bedroom house with the one guest suite on the main floor, and then all the other bedrooms, including the primary upstairs. But this is under 400 at 370.
How many bathrooms?
3 bathrooms, so 1 down and 2 up.
So what about this one?
That's extra.
So
It's
you
an
got to
upgrade.
pay extra for that if you want this one at the
Yeah.
house here.
Yeah.
Should I go in and give a tour of this one?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Woo, Nelly, no.
Hold your nose. Hold your
Nope,
nose.
we're not going to tour that one.
So you got the 2-car attached garage. Look at this little window right here.
Oh, that's cool.
Let's in some light.
I got a story about that.
Yeah?
Yeah, my friends Adam and Maria,
Uh-huh.
he showed up to pick her up on her very first date, and he was looking through the window, and she fell coming down the steps, and so she came to the door, and then she's like, he's like, "Are you okay? Did you fall?" She's like, "I didn't fall. What are you talking about?" And she
like, lied on the first date.
Yeah, on the first date, yeah, they're married. It's like super happily married now.
Wow,
They're a great couple.
He still married her.
He did, even though she started her relationship on a
lie,
a throne of lies.
So this is one of the first we've seen in a while where the stairs are right here.
Yeah.
But it's not like you're walking into the stairs.
Right. It's off to the side.
You can look off to the side and be okay. All right, so this has got to be the guest bedroom. Right? Yeah. Yeah, there's no other place for it.
So you've got so it's got a full bath there, but it's not ensuite.
Right, it's not ensuite.
Little bed.
Yeah.
Little bed.
You're not fitting a king bed.
No. I mean, for my life, this would be an office.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think that would only hold a double bed.
And the bathroom supports the rest of the house as well.
Okay. But I mean, hey, we've got 5 bedrooms at what,
2,400 square feet.
2,400 square feet?
Yeah.
So they're fitting a lot into a,
right.
Not an enormous space.
And look at all the space that could have been utilized.
Oh, I know. I hate when they put those walls up.
You could put little side pockets in or something. Yeah. But so all open, living room there, plenty of light in with those 2 big windows.
Yep.
So that's good. And then obviously dining would be here. And then you've got your kitchen here. Can't really tell where anything's going to go.
Well, there's the sink under the window.
Yep.
That's different. I like how they're doing that. A lot of people like the sink by the window.
Yep. And then island here with the dishwasher. And then this has got to be for your electric stove, I would imagine.
Okay.
So
just
that's
not all plumbed in yet. So out back, they've got a little step here. You could do more out here, but I like how they put a nice fence up because that is the road behind that fence there.
Yeah.
So that does cut down a lot of the noise coming from the road.
It's not a bad lot at all.
No, nice trees around. They did a nice job with landscaping back here.
Yeah. We've got the windows going in soon. So let's head upstairs.
I shouldn't have said about that falling thing because now I'm terrified I'm going to fall down the steps.
I'll catch you, buddy.
But trust me, if I fall down the steps with the camera, we're not editing out. That absolutely stays in the video.
So it looks like this is going to be a half wall.
Yep, so we got a
loft
loft
space. Into the loft. Got a big bedroom in the front.
So this bedroom looks to have a small walk-in closet.
Okay.
And there's a window in the walk-in closet too.
Yeah, people always ask why do they put windows in closets? And it's really not functionally for the inside of the house, but if you look at the house from the outside, the aesthetics of the home.
That makes sense.
It's the placement of where the windows go. So another bedroom to the back. This, I would imagine, would be a laundry room. You've got a walk-in closet back there for that bedroom.
Yep.
And then this has got to be the primary.
Well, hold up. What's this room? Because this could be the...
That could be laundry.
That could be the laundry also.
So is that just a storage room, you think?
You got the plan.
Oh, yeah. Durr. How silly am I? This is the laundry room.
Okay.
This is the bathroom.
Okay.
To support these 2 bedrooms.
They just don't have anything plumbed in yet.
Yeah. And then, so this is the primary. 14 by 12.
Okay. Oh, that's a big
That's
walk-in
the
closet
bathroom.
there. No, bathroom. This is the bathroom for the primary.
This is the bathroom.
Okay, I got you.
Yep. And then that's the walk-in closet. That's big.
Yeah, that is a big walk-in closet.
And then this is the linen closet, it says.
A linen closet in
the closet.
In the closet.
No, sorry. This is the linen closet over here.
That is on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
So
this is probably open space into the closet here.
Looks like a shelf will go right in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then there's some walking through walls. This is what?
That is another bathroom.
For this bedroom.
Hold on, let me see where I am.
So 1, 2,
Oh, so that's the laundry room. This is the bathroom. That's mechanical room.
Oh, okay. HVAC's. Yeah. That's right, because they're doing it in inside space.
Inside space, yeah. And then this is bedroom 2.
Mark, I feel like we prepared enough for this video.
Yeah.
That when we walked through the door, we knew exactly what we were talking about.
I don't think so, no.
You're figuring it out with us.
But no, this is a great house.
A lot of space. Honestly, all these rooms are big enough except for that one downstairs. And most people are going to use that as an office anyway, not for a bedroom.
Yeah.
But it is a 5-bedroom house at well under $400,000.
Love it.
So great little pocket neighborhood right here in Summerville. I like how they did a bunch of cul-de-sacs in here. So homes are backed up to woods. We've got some fountains and ponds around the property. But most of all, the price points to get into these.
Pricing are amazing. Everything in here that we've seen so far is under $400,000.
Yeah.
Like the big one with 5 bedrooms,
Yeah.
$370,000.
Yep.
So super great prices for sure. There's one or two other floor plans in here as well. So ask about those if you want us to show you those.
Yeah.
When you come in town. And kind of the weird thing about Summerville is in all the counties around here.
Yeah,
right?
it goes across 3 counties. So we are in Charleston County here, but we're about 10 minutes to downtown Summerville. We're about 10 minutes over to Gehagen Park, which is a fantastic park. They've got a great playground there and baseball fields. And I always get in trouble there. It always cost me money when my kids went there because that
The ice cream man.
freaking ice cream man, like I swear he parked on the street and he watched my car coming in and he always came in. It cost me $10 every time I went to the playground.
Don't you wish the booze truck was there?
Yeah, he could follow me around. That'd be fine. So you've got quick access to get onto 26, get down into Charleston, everything that Charleston has to offer. I like that we're kind of in, a lot of people do work downtown, so they want to be closer to Charleston, but still have quick access to Summerville. This is a great location for that.
Absolutely. Well, if you want to know more about this community or any community, down in the description, click on the link, book a Zoom call with us. We'll figure out, is this the right neighborhood for you, or do we need a different neighborhood based on where you're working, the lifestyle you want to live, and the budget that you're looking to shell out.
Deal. See you in the next one.
Bye.